All right, friends, here we are with our Mercury 9.9 horsepower little engine. These things have a tendency to just bounce up and down as they go up and down the road. And once in a while, you'll end up with a nicked prop because you forgot to check to make sure the engine didn't bounce. So what we need here is a little yoke made by your 3D printer. If you happen to have one of those, you can get a rod at your local hardware store, aluminum, very light, that we're going to make something to go between here and there to support this engine going down the road. And let's see what we can do. Let's go. All right, friends, look what we have here. This is it. The famous 3D printed, flexible, very universal. We're going to take this and put it right down here to support our engine with the aluminum rod that you can buy just about anywhere. So we're going to fix this thing to stay in here and cut it to where that fits right in there. That's right. You too can do one of these if you have a 3D printer. All right, we'll get started. Okay, let's do it that way. We could probably go get a better one. Alrighty, so little bungee cord action around there. How do we keep that in there? And then one more hole to hold the whole thing. Maybe.
Don't cut yourself.
All right, look at this. Here we are. Little bungee cord action going on. This thing won't be going anywhere. Bolt holds it in place. Little bouncing action. Keep that baby right where it's supposed to be. Good job, friends. Let's go boating.